are a hero because you have survived the pandemic. You are the hero because you have survived the lockdown. You are the hero because you have survived the fear. This is the time where we stay strong. The most important thing is we are all alive. These days, home is becoming depressive because we see walls all day, every day. Laugh and relax time has become history. So stay calm and make use of these opportunities to recollect and put others in the first place. So, no matter who you are, where you are, we stay together, we fight together. We feel we are isolated, we have our own boundaries right now. If it is not necessary, we keep ourselves to ourselves.
Then how can we overcome these situations, these tough situations? Sometimes small things makes huge difference, like a simple smile. A simple smile can really make someone's day. It's easy, it's free, but it makes more sense. No matter how rich you are, how cool you are, ultimately the way you treat people tells us all, and that's the balance of life. Millions of doctors and physicians, they are working around the globe selflessly for strangers just like us to fight the situation. A small thank you, a small gesture of love goes a long way, and that's the power of appreciation. How was your day today? This is the question we don't want to hear. What do people reply if they do hear it? What day is today? I am bored. I don't know. Am I still alive? These are the things that pops up in everyone's mind. But you know what? There is always time for coffee. So enjoy your day. Just be for yourself. I would like to share a very old saying. Prepare and prevent, rather repair and repent. We think we can handle the situation, but prevention is the only solution to avoid this situation. So, don't forget to smile. Smile can make you attractive. Smile can lift your mood. Smile can help you stay positive. Time is still the best answer which we can hope. Life is a game of chess. You can undo a move, but you can make the next step better. So we better do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. A river cuts through the rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Likewise, social interaction is only by choice, and we have to be persistent following it. So let's all stay together and strive for progress and not perfection. Then how can we strive? These are the simple ways that we can fight the situation. Keep your home germ-free. Disinfect your home on regular basis. Next, wear your mask. Good hygiene means good health. Don't forget your mask. In case if you feel ill, try to isolate yourself. Use sanitizer which are 60 to 95% ethanol content. Disinfect your high-touch surfaces like your doorknobs. Wash your hands regularly, at least for 20 seconds. Staying healthy is shared duty. Be safe, be healthy. A sweet message from the Food Bros family. Stay safe and stay loved. Bye bye.